This is Philip Strebel, Senior Market Strategist at R.J.O. Futures, giving your weekly metals commentary here for Thursday, May 21st. Looking at the metals, they had a small pullback here. Gold continues to travel in this $40 to $50 trading range, down 1180 on the low side, 1225 on the upside. We pulled back to about the 1204, 1205 area. A lot of people are getting chopped up trading this range here. I suspect that the next range of the movement is probably a probe back below 1200 since we haven't done that in a little bit. I can only imagine that that psychological level is accumulating quite a few stops and things like that. So gold, there's going to be no headlines here going for a little bit. We're going into a holiday weekend as well. So I anticipate the volume lighten up tomorrow. And then, we won't resume trading here until Tuesday. Looking at silver, it's been much stronger than the gold market. A lot of it's been industrial demand. We're seeing silver up about 5% on the year. It sold off pretty hard a few days ago. It's rebounded just a little bit, but it's still maintaining over the $17 area. I saw some year-end price targets on silver that are north of 20. So I'm really interested to see how it develops over the next several months. There's a lot of good time and a lot of good premium there on December options. So if you give me a call, I can quote some of those up for you. The copper market, on the other hand, has been weaker. That was I think the catalyst for silver sell-off the other day. We saw copper in a very tight range for a while. It broke down to the downside. Now it's trending back up just a little bit here. The imports in China have really been lagging over the last week, and I think that that's showing a lack of demand, and that's the reason for your lower price there. So looking at platinum, palladium, I think that's probably one of the most interesting metal markets right now, at least for a fundamental story. You've got a major labor renegotiation going on with one of the largest mines there. They were talking about doubling the starting workers' wages, and the owners of the mines were saying that they would consider honoring that, but they're going to lay off 10% of the workforce. So they're robbing Peter to pay Paul. So really interesting. And then over the last 3 years, we've seen the supplies of platinum and palladium being outstripped by demand. So demand's continuing to increase there. Also, there's a huge airbag recall of 34 million airbags for automotives. I'm wondering if any kind of metal is going to be needed in order to fulfill those needs of replacing them. So it's going to be interesting. But give me a call, 800-438-4805. Remember, good luck and good trading. On futures may involve substantial risk of loss and may not be suitable for all investors.